My name is Nargis Khalid Safi, wife of Khalid Safi, who is in jail from past 22 months for being booked under a section like UAPA, which made for a terrorist. My husband is getting punished for rising voice against the government. It's break my heart while narrating this incident, which made our life miserable and made us feel that how helpless we are. First of all, I would like to say thank you, this team who gave us this chance to share our pain at this stage. Right now, there is someone who will speak on my behalf because I'm not well versed with the English language.
On 26th Feb 2020, when police arrested Khalid Safi, he walked himself to the police station with police officials. But on very next day, when we met him in the Mandoli jail, we found him on wheelchair. His both legs were fractured. It was police officials who beaten up him brutally, and police officials also threatened him to the encounter. Around 15 police officers beaten him up mercilessly. The only reason behind this physical and mental torture was that he was the one who raised his voice against CA NRC, against this government dictatorship, although he was the one who provided ambulance and medical facilities at the time of hardship when people need help. When people need help, he was the one who helped everyone. When you will be able to meet him, you will realize what kind of person actually he is. At the time of Delhi riot places, he gave his number, his personal number to everyone. If you need any kind of help, just contact me directly. No third person, just contact me directly. That is Khalid Safi. This is who. This is how we know him. Khalid Safi raised his voice on the behalf of thousands of people. And what actually happened with him, he is in jail right now. And what actually police have done with him, we can't even explain, we can't even express this in words. Delhi police booked him in three false FIR, like some kind UAPA. UAPA is actually made for terrorists. Like how that person can be terrorist? Delhi police don't even have any correct statements. No, they have nothing to show, that nothing to prove, nothing. They have nothing to prove against him. Although the real culprit are still freely roaming around. We all know the truth. Who created this all mess around the country? We all know what is going on around the country. Khalid Safi Bhai have three minor children, three small kids. They all miss their father, of course. He's a great man, and he's like everything for their children and their wife. Children ask every day about their father, every single day. When will be able to meet our father? When we will eat food with them? When will we sleep with them? When will we play with them? They ask every day. And Nargis Bhabi, you can't even guess, we can't even reply to this question. Why he got arrested? After all, he helped everyone in the time of hardship. After all, he raised his voice on behalf of thousands of people. The biggest question is, he's the one who served the society and booked under UAPA at the end. This is the way good people are always being treated in our country. Or maybe we can say that it is all because we are minorities, or we don't know what is this. We don't have any answer right now. Me and Bhabhi and their 3 children always feel like they are also in jail mentally. Khalid Bhai is in jail physically and their family is in jail mentally. They have to face socially tortured. On the other hand, Khalid Bhai is facing that same torture in the jail and his family is facing the torture from society. We don't have any idea how people, use comments like this. Terrorist, this is a big deal. Without knowing our crime, every day I ask this question, that for why a man like Khalid Bhai, who had devoted his life for society, he's in jail right now. Why the police officials treated him like a terrorist, even though we all know the truth. They don't have any proof. At every court hearing, we all hope that maybe this time we will be he will be released. We will get justice. But every single time in the court, what happened is nothing happened. Our heart breaks with disappointment due to the delay into justice. This is as simple as it is. I'm speaking. But still, we hope that soon Khalid Bhai will be released with his honor and dignity. We will fight this battle till the end. And inshallah, we will get justice.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. And thank you all for listening to this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.